Igbo kwenu, Igbo kwenu, Igbo kwezono. Hey! Afambo igboticnono. My name is igboticnono and you are welcome back to my channel. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do, encourage your girl. In this channel, we learn how to speak Igbo. Gradually, we'll graduate to very big sentences. But with that being said, don't forget to save this video in your watch later and watch it consistently to perfect. Yes, that's the reason we're here, right? To perfect. So welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning objects and as well as their names in Igbo. Objects as well as their names in Igbo. So please stay tuned, watch to the end of this video, like this video, share it, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. Thank you so much for watching igboticnono. I am very much grateful. Yes. So with that being said, let's get started. Pot, ite, ite, pot, ite, pot. Efere, plate, efere, plate, efere, plate. Ngaji, spoon, ngaji, spoon, ngaji, spoon. Iko, cup, iko, cup. Aqua, bed, aqua, bed, aqua, bed. Aqua, clothes. You see, these two names, they look alike. That's why you should watch my pronunciation. Aqua, aqua is going up. Aqua, bed. Aqua, it's coming down now. Aqua, clothes. In this essence, any type of clothes is aqua. Be it boxers, be it singlet, be it shirts, any kind of it. It's just aqua. Any material is aqua. So aqua, when it's going up, aqua is bed. When it's coming down, aqua is clothes. Aqua nsachi aqua. Aqua nsachi aqua. Remember I said aqua is clothes. Aqua is bed. Aqua nsachi aqua. Clothes nsachi is cover. The English is just bed sheet. Aqua nsachi aqua. Clothes cover bed. Aqua nsachi aqua. Aqua nsachi aqua. Clothes cover bed. That is bed sheet. Mma, knife. Mma, knife. Akpati, box. Akpati, box. Akpati, box. Akpa, bag. Akpa, bag. Akpa, bag. Oche, chair. Oche, chair. Oche, chair. Ncha, soap. Ncha, any kind of ncha, be it omo, be it the bar type, anything that brings out foam is ncha. Ncha, soap. Obo, sponge. Obo, sponge. When you're bathing or scrubbing your body. Obo, sponge. Obo, just Igbo is very, very simple. Trust me, just watch my lips. Igbo is very simple. Obo, sponge. Uno, mpochi, toilet. Some people say olo, some people say uno, depending on the dialect. So you can say olo mpochi. You can also say uno mpochi, it's toilet. Uno mpochi, toilet. House, the toilet is inside the house, right? That is why it's uno mpochi, toilet. Uno, house. Uno, house. Uno, house. Akpụkpọ, shoe. Akpụkpọ, shoe. Akpụkpọ, shoe. Okpu, cap. Any type of okpu, be it the okpu chair, be it the first cap, be it the sit down cap, any type, as long as it's seated on your head, is okpu, cap. Okpu, cap. Nche mmiri, umbrella. Nche mmiri, umbrella. Mmiri, water. Mmiri, water. Mmiri, water. Nche mmiri, umbrella. Nche mmiri, umbrella. Aziza, broom for sweeping. Aziza, broom. Aziza, broom. Nkata, basket. Nkata, basket. Nkata, basket. Igwe, igwe, bicycle. You know, the bicycle. Igwe, bicycle. Igwe, bicycle. Akwa mgbochi, akwa mgbochi, curtain. Akwa mgbochi, you know the curtain used to cover your window in your house. Akwa mgbochi, curtain. Akwa mgbochi, curtain. Akwa mgbochi, curtain. Echafo, scarf. Echafo, scarf. You know the scarf is on your head, on your neck. They're all in the class of echafo. Photo, camera. Photo, camera. Photo, camera. Photo, camera. Photo, camera. Photo, camera. Onyonyo, television. Onyonyo, television. Oku, light. Oku, light. Oku, light. Oku, light. Akpati okwu, radio. Akpati okwu, radio. Akpati okwu, radio. Iko mmiri, cup of water. Iko mmiri, cup of water. Iko is cup. Mmiri is water. You see, but it's simple. Just join it together. Iko mmiri, cup of water. Iko mmiri, cup of water. Iko mmiri, cup of water. Aja, sand. Aja, sand. Cupboard, cupboard. It sounds like English too, but different spelling. Cupboard, cupboard. Cupboard. I'll put the spelling out. As usual, the spelling is down here, so you can see it's not the same spelling with English, but it's the same pronunciation. Cupboard, cupboard. Table, table. Table, table. You know your table, you put your things on top. Table, table. Table, table. Ekwenti uno, telephone. Ekwenti uno, telephone. Ekwenti uno, telephone. Aja, sand. Aja, sand. Okute, stone. Okute, stone. Okute, stone. Obala, car or motor, whichever one you want to call it. Obala, car. Obala, car. Uzo, door. Uzo, door. Uzo, door. Bucket, bucket for fetching water. It sounds the same in English but different spelling. Bucket, bucket. Bucket, bucket. Uzo, road. Uzo, door. Uzo, road. The same spelling, but depends on the term you're using it. So long you're speaking with the person will understand the term. You know, mepe uzo, open the door. Anom nuzo, I'm on the road. Anom nuzo, I'm on the road. Mepuzo, open the door. You see, the same pronunciation and depends on the terms you are using it. Ntu oyi, AC. Ntu oyi, air condition. Ntu oyi, air condition. Ntu oyi, air condition. Ntu oku, heater. Ntu oku, heater. Ntu oku, heater. Oriọna, lamp. Oriọna, lamp. Oriọna, lamp for putting on lights. Oriọna, lamp. Oriọna, lamp. Igodo, key. Igodo, key. Ute, mat. Ute, mat. Ute, mat. Mortar, ikwe. Mortar, ikwe. You know the mortar they use in pounding? The one that is round, that is kept on the floor, is the mortar. Mortar, ikwe. Ikwe, mortar. The pestle for pounding it. Aka odo. Aka odo. You hold it on your hand. Aka odo, pestle. aka odo peso, igwe mota, aka odo peso, igbe oyi fridge, igbe oyi fridge, igbe oyi fridge, igbe oyi fridge, enyo mirror, enyo mirror, enyo mirror, enyo mirror. Okay guys, thank you very much. This brings me to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it very well. Hope you understood my pronunciations with the English terms. Hope you are watching my lips as I was pronouncing them. Please don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Yes, if you also decide to give this video a thumbs down, it's not bad, but please kindly leave me on the comment section the reason why you gave this video a thumbs down. I will appreciate it very much, and I will correct the things you want me to correct, or whichever better way you feel I should present this. Thank you so much for your support. Share this video to the diaspora, and of course save this video on your watch letter. Consistently practice it, and I promise you, you are going to perfect so well in it, so long you're watching my lips and the way I am pronouncing them. Kode, bye bye. Kode, potara, bye bye. Kode, bye bye. Emesia later. Emesia later. Anyị ga-afụ ọzọ. We will see again. Anyị ga-afụ ọzọ. We will see again. Bye bye.